Imagine this. You're on the magnificent Sun Princess cruise ship gliding effortlessly across the sparkling blue ocean. The sun is beaming, warming your skin, and in your hand is a perfectly crafted drink, refreshing, delicious, and the best part, you can have as many as you want. Sounds like a dream, right? Today we're diving into the magical world of Princess Cruises' latest offering, the Princess Premier Package, what the package includes, and most importantly, the cost. Just picture walking up to the bar and the friendly bartender hands you a menu packed with over 75 spirits, more than 40 wines by the glass, and 20 handcrafted cocktails that are just begging to be tasted. And the best part? You can try them all! From refreshing smoothies to top-shelf spirits, every drink priced up to $20 is yours to enjoy. But hold on, there's even more. The Princess Premier Package doesn't just stop at unlimited drinks. You also get 25% off wine bottles and those extra-large water bottles, so whether you're lounging with a smoothie or toasting with a fine wine, you're saving money while having fun. Plus, no more worrying about surprise beverage costs at the end of your trip. And let's talk about dining. With the Princess Premier Package, you'll have unlimited access to specialty dining at some of the ship's finest restaurants. Craving a juicy steak? Head to the Crown Grill. In the mood for Italian? Sabatini's has you covered. How about fresh seafood? Dive into The Catch by Rudy. Sushi lover? Makoto Ocean awaits. And for meat enthusiasts, the Butcher's Block by Dario is a must. It's like having a VIP pass to the culinary wonders of the sea. But that's not all. This package keeps you connected too. With Medallion NetMax Wi-Fi, you'll enjoy unlimited high-speed internet for up to 4 devices per guest. Stream your favorite shows, share your adventures on social media, or video chat with loved ones back home, all from anywhere on the ship. Feeling hungry in the middle of the night? No problem. With unlimited delivery service, which is part of the Premier Package, you get complimentary access to all Ocean Now and room service orders. It's just a tap away, delivered right to your door. And when it's time for some top-notch entertainment, you'll always have the best seat in the house. The Premier Package includes unlimited reserved seating in the Princess Theater, so you can relax and enjoy every show from the perfect spot. For those who love to stay active, we've got you covered. Access to premium boutique fitness classes like Pure Barre, Yoga 6, and Stretch Lab allows you to stretch, strengthen, and stay fit while enjoying your vacation. The options are endless. Want to capture every magical moment? The Princess Premier Package includes unlimited photos with a digital photo package, giving you unlimited digital images taken by onboard photographers. Every special memory is yours to keep and relive whenever you want. And let's not forget those little details that make your cruise completely worry-free. Daily crew gratuities are covered as part of the package, so you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy every moment, knowing that everything is taken care of. The updated Premier Package for Princess Cruises, including the Sun Princess, was announced in mid-August 2024. It's set to roll out across the Princess fleet starting August 31st, 2024. Specifically, this fabulous package will be available on the Sun Princess beginning September 7th, 2024. I know what you're thinking. That all sounds great, but what does it cost? For just $90 per person per day, you get access to all these wonderful amenities without having to worry about any surprises on your cruise bill. It's like unlocking a world of flavors without putting a dent in your wallet. But why settle for just one tip when you can have more to elevate your Sun Princess cruise adventure? Get ready to enhance your journey with these exclusive tips. Click the video above and let's travel.